Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I will show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, what you will want to do is power off your device, so let's do it right now. Hold the power key and then select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up. And once you see the Redmi logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now, to navigate through this, you will need to use volume keys to go up and down, and power key to confirm whatever is selected. And options here are fairly limited, so we can reboot the device, we can wipe data, so factory reset, and also connect with the Mi Assistant application. And like I said, whatever you select, you confirm with power key. Because I want to leave it, I'm gonna stick with reboot to system, and this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.